I am a self-described, enthusiastic, and community-minded husband and father. I'm into board sports, topping off the list, kiteboarding, snowboarding, and surfing. I spend way too much of my free time working on home renovation projects and in my wood shop refinishing furniture. My family and I love exploring all of the unique cultural opportunities that Southern California has to offer. Hi, my name's Joel Schneider, your friendly realtor with Whistler Realty Group here in San Diego County. My connection to the San Diego community inspires everything that I do here at Whistler Realty Group. From my volunteer experience working as a mentor with Father Joe's Villages and as a reserve firefighter for the San Diego County Fire Authority, to my work as an ocean lifeguard and desert EMT with California State Parks, I've had many opportunities to serve the beautiful people here in San Diego County. That same mindset of community service also shows up in my role as a realtor. I am keenly aware of the lifestyle and financial benefits of owning real estate. Knowing that I can help a diverse clientele reach these goals is what inspired me to become a realtor. I'm sensitive to the fact that historically, not everyone has had the same access to the benefits of real estate. It's my goal to make sure that every person in San Diego has equal access to the resources that we have at Whistler Realty to help them invest in their homes and in their future. These resources, on top of a culture of inclusion, collaboration, and contribution, made Whistler Realty Group the perfect home for me. Now it's time to find the perfect home for you. Buying or selling a home today comes with a variety of challenges, especially in this market. When you partner with me, we will navigate those challenges together with confidence. Give me a call or DM me so that we can connect. I'm Joel Schneider with Whistler Realty. Looking forward to hearing from you.